Autoship is available for all preferred clients to set up automatic product reorders every 30, 60, 90, or 180 days. To create an Autoship order, log into arbonne.com. You can search for products either using the navigation at the top of the page or by using search to find a specific product. Click on the product image to see the full product detail page. On the bar at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option to purchase this product on Autoship. Click on the arrow underneath Autoship and select the frequency that you'd like this product to be reordered for you. Then, click Add to Cart. When you've added all your items to your cart, click on the shopping bag in the top right-hand corner of the page. You can choose different reorder dates for each product in the order. For this example, let's select one item for a 30-day Autoship and one product that will not be on Autoship. To complete your purchase, click Checkout and move through the checkout flow. Once you complete the checkout, the Autoship orders will be set and the first delivery of each product will be scheduled to ship out to your preferred client right away. Preferred clients can review their Autoship orders within their account by clicking on the profile picture in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now expand the order section and click Autoship Orders in the left-hand menu. Each Autoship order will be listed with the next expected order date, the price including any discounts, the shipping frequency, and the address it's being shipped to. If you click into the Autoship order, you can see the items in the order, the payment method, and shipping address, all of which you can edit if needed. You can also change the next shipping date by clicking the pencil in the top right-hand corner. You can skip the next order by clicking Skip. In addition, from here you can choose to ship it today by clicking Ship Now, or you can cancel the order completely by clicking Cancel. Lastly, you can edit the order name by clicking the pencil in the top left-hand corner. Autoship allows the preferred client to modify the order up to 3 days before the shipping date. To learn more about the features and benefits of the Autoship program, please refer to the Autoship Meet the Program sheet located on the source. To learn more about placing an Autoship order for your preferred client using Personal Shopper, please refer to the How to Use Personal Shopper video on the source.